It's recommended by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration to check the depth of your tires' tread every month to ensure your tires will grip the road surface well in wet weather conditions and help reduce the chance of hydroplaning. The penny test is a convenient way to check if you have enough safe tread depth if you don't have a tread depth gauge available. The distance from the top of Lincoln's head to the top of the penny is 2/32 of an inch. The distance from Lincoln's forehead to the top of a penny is 4/32 of an inch. 2/32 is the legal minimum tread depth and the point at which you must replace your tires. 4/32 of an inch is the point at which tires have lost a significant amount of tread in braking distances in wet conditions will have dramatically increased from that of new tires with 10 or 11/32 of tread depth. Tread depths greater than 4/32 of an inch had an acceptable amount of tread where remaining and don't need replacing. To perform the penny test, place a penny upside down, with the top of Lincoln's head pointing down in between the tread ribs in one of the main deep grooves. If all of Lincoln's head is visible, you should replace your tires immediately. If the top of Lincoln's head is hidden but his forehead is still visible, you should consider replacing your tires soon. If Lincoln's forehead is obscured any further than this point, your tread is at an acceptable depth. If you'd like to learn more about tire wear and tires in general, check out tiregrades.com.